what's going on YouTube? We back with another video. As y'all can see, this is going to be another point of view drive video. Seems like every single point of view drive video I do, you guys like, and the views are pretty good, so I'm going to keep on doing point of view drive videos. I know I said I was going to get Corsa Extreme catback, and I'm still working on getting those. Just got to sell my Full Performance by Boiler catback first. But golly, this thing is dirty. See all these little water spots? I got to get this whole thing paint corrected. Maybe another ceramic coating again. If you're new to the channel, it's my 2018 Mustang GT. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get us to 2,000 subscribers. That's the next goal. You guys got us to 1,000 pretty quick, so let's keep on rolling. Y'all know the drill, so let's start this thing up. Alright man, y'all know the drill. Windows down. Don't talk too much so you can just hear this thing. And we're gonna get this video started. Downshifts are so crazy. I say it every time. Gotta put the windows up at a red light because I'm not trying to die in this Florida weather. Put the AC on and we wait. I don't know if you can see that, but I got my gas light on always. Need to get gas a little bit later because I've been hitting it too much. That Burble tune's crazy. What we got here? Nice little Porsche. So I was just in Sarasota yesterday, And if you guys don't know where Sarasota is, it's in Florida on the West Coast. I was there for the first time, and they got a lot of nice dealerships up there. I saw a Lamborghini dealership. I think I saw a Bentley one. Audis, of course. I saw C8s everywhere. I even saw 2 Lambos driving when I was up there. So I definitely want to go up there, drive this up there, and maybe get some content of other cars like Lambos. Maybe catch a few Lambos up there. I've always wanted to drive a Lambo one day. One day. Can't get enough of that Burble tune, man. Sorry if my windshield, like, I don't know if I could tell on the camera or not, because I'm not looking at the camera if this looks dirty, y'all, but it is really dirty. Let's get a little rev for you guys. Echo off these buildings. Damn. I'm running out of gas so fast because of this, but, you know, it's too fun not to do. If I had a Hellcat, I'd be doing the whine thing. Alright, that was weird. Forget I did that. I don't know if I'm cutting that out of the video or not. Oh man. Hey, he's going left. Alright, cool. I need some water. My throat dry. Tiny pool. I'm surprised I haven't had the cops called on me yet. Dang. Oh man, I love making these videos, as I say every single time. But yeah guys, this is nearing the end of the video. So if you enjoy these videos, make sure you leave a like and comment something, and I always respond to every single comment. So if you enjoyed watching, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.